This tutorial explains how to give a learner special access to a quiz. Add special access to a quiz when you want to provide alternative time limits to individual users or groups of users to accommodate special needs. Using the Quizzes tool, navigate to the quiz where you wish to add special access. Expand the Availability Dates and Conditions section, then click Manage Special Access. You can select from two types of special access. Either allow selected users special access to this quiz, or restrict visibility to only those with special access. Pick the access type you prefer and then click to add users to special access. Now set the special access properties for the quiz, such as due date, availability, timing, and who can participate. In the due date section, you can specify an alternate time when you expect a quiz to be complete. In the availability section, modify the start and end times for the quiz. A quiz is considered late if a learner submits it after the due date. In the timing section, you can remove time limit or override it to set a new quiz duration for users with special access after the time limit expires. You can choose one of the following options: automatically submit the quiz attempt, flag as exceeded time limit, and allow the learner to continue working. Do nothing, which means the time limit is not enforced. Set an attempts option. If you select Override Attempts Allowed, you can set the number of attempts allowed from 1 to 10 and click Apply. In the Users section, select which course participants should have the special access applied to them. Next, click Save to apply the new restrictions to the quiz.